Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp webcam or camera if it's not working in your Windows 11 or 10 device. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, I'm going to try to make a call or video call. Now, as you can see, you may have this error, your camera is being used by another app. Well, that might actually be true. Okay, so when you go ahead and go to your camera section right here, you can choose whichever camera right here. Or if you do only have, only one camera, for example, right here, I got the Brio 100 camera. And when I selected, I got this error. So why is that? Again, your camera is being used by another app. So which app? So I noticed that I have here my OBS. Yours may be different, all right? You may have another app using your camera. So I have it here, okay? So if I wanted to use my camera for WhatsApp only, I'll have to close OBS. All right. Or if you're using another app, make sure that you close it. Okay. Or you could just go ahead and remove it. For example, I'm going to remove my video capture device right here. I'm going to change this one to maybe my virtual camera only. Okay. I'm going to hit on OK. Now, after that, let's go back to WhatsApp right here. Okay, I'm going to end the call. I'm going to call again. All right. There you go. And as you can see, when I choose my Brio camera, I'm just going to open up the lid. There you go. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to fix this issue. All right. All you got to do is just go out and find whatever app is currently using your web camera. Okay, assuming that your laptop or desktop got a camera connected. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.